hanggang sa naging si Ma'am Darlene. Oo, si Ma'am Darlene. Tapos,
You are required by civil aviation regulations to read the passenger briefing card. If you need to be repeated, please inform our cabin crew now. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking, vaping, or the use of electronic cigarettes is not allowed. We want to ensure the comfort and safety of all passengers.
Single cab pala.
Single cab. Parang jeep style sa atin.
Yung single cab pala ganun ano.
Pero dyan mo ulit para kita yung tower. Yung down na ano. Yung down na yung tower. Yung tower yan. Ito na. Yan. Yan.
Squirrel. Nakakagat to.
Kaya huwag mo sasaging
Ito lang, kung saan ka po mag-upload, tutubuan na nag-upload ang pesa. Kung saan ka po pinag-diyan di open everyday regular activity, wajib di-open activity sa YouTube. Kung ka po nag-activity, activity naman, saan ka po yung
Okay na. Okay.
Paano po ito ilipat sa video? Ay, sa picture. Ay, naka-video pa siya. Video ko lang po ba? Naka-video pa siya.
Or sit here daw.
The one wearing stripes. Mario, sir.
charger ko dati. Hindi ko yata nabulot.
Sticky rice. Oh.
Lakan mo lang.
Kasi dapat 24 minutes sa linya 20 minutes pala yung time. Pwede pa kami sa may Starbucks. Pabalik pa yung time.
Doon kayo tayo baba para straight ang punta natin.
Pwede, okay na.
等会儿进去看。
We have to go to the palace and that area. We're gonna come back. Have a linear walk, one way walk.
Tingin-tingin dito.
Group photo muna tayo, isa, mabilis. Group photo po muna tayo dito. Dito na lang po.
来，我们走出来，现在各位乘客啊，不要卡在那边门口啊，走出来了。
Follow
因为大推力机产品都是皇帝家的，各位，他们就只有贵族是古老的家一个了。现在皇帝的家没有在长久没有管理国家了，各位。
看我呀，给你拍照，你看看。
Mr. Somchai. Okay, everyone joining us for today in this round, the lunch time. The bus start 11:30 until 1 p.m. Okay, everyone, you can drinking welcome drink. You can cheers welcome drink together. That is welcome. The Hua Lamphong station, that's it, the train station first one of Thailand, open still now for who travel somewhere in Bangkok, who travel somewhere beside Bangkok by train. Today in Bangkok, we have the new train station opening already. Just as if you want to travel to Chiang Mai province, you travel to southern Thailand by train, you travel to the new train station. Our bus, this is Golden Buddha Temple in Bangkok. You know this temple in Thai, Trimit Temple. The local name of this temple is Trimit Temple. Former name is Golden Buddha Temple. Because inside this building, construction Buddha image on top, Buddha image on top of this building, made from the real gold. Look this construction. This one, the right side of the bus, this is highlight Chinatown. This construction was built to celebrate King Rama IX of Thailand, his birthday anniversary for 72 years old. Pink noodle soup. This one, this is pink noodle soup. Okay, you get sweet, sour, and spicy with this menu. Yeah. So everyone, can you eat spicy taste? The left side. The left side of the bus on the sky, you will see the beautiful temple. That is Golden Mountain Temple. Okay, so now, yeah, the left side of the bus, you focus on the sky, you will see the temple. Yeah, the view of the temple on the sky showing you now. This is Golden Mountain Temple, Grand Palace, and the Emerald Buddha Temple. So you will see this scenery, so cleaning and beautiful design. Okay, and then next to the left side of the bus, this is beautiful temple. It represents the highlight of the world and Thailand too. You will see this temple on the left. The left side of the bus now, this is beautiful temple of serving you more. In a few minutes, we arrived at the restaurant to get your Pad Thai menu. In Thailand, under control, we order change the policy to the new one now. The class policy is the present policy of Thailand using. Okay, so now this restaurant get Michelin award recommend for 5 years until now. This is your Pad Thai menu. Your Pad Thai menu coming. Our staff get Pad Thai menu dishes back to the bus. This is your Pad Thai menu today.
Pad Thai.
Here before, so the old name of this location on the right side of my bus, this is Flaunt Palace. Yeah, the Flaunt Palace used to be for somebody become to the new king live here long time.
Monk.
For 4 years ago, and greeting Thai population to show his powerful. Whenever he acceded to the throne, become to the king of Thailand already. We calling that day is coronation.
G. Dito na, dito na. Cancel eh. Your name is Trikaya? Company, your name is?
Tom.
Tom. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Who is the tax refund?
Over there. You'll see VAT, the one. VAT, you see the blue side.
Yun, meron pa na yung ano.
Asa naman gusto ka guys?
May kulay.
Ha?
May kulay. Bakit may kulay siya?
Oh. Yeah, bili ka naman.
Hindi siya naka-slice.
3 for 100.
Kaso ba't gano'n? Puti. Maniminin na lang kung puti. Naku, din pa pinikir. Sarap mo ko. Daddy portion.